But sometimes when teachers need to teach you phonemes, they need to make their mouths like clowns and put lipstick all over. The letter Y says yeah, yeah, yeah. Now say yellow, yellow, yolk, yummy. Yellow, yolk, yummy. You know, the letter H is such a gentle sound like the letter F. It says, it's so hot, harry, hat. You've got to take a lot of breath when you're going to use the H sound. Hot, harry, right? H. The NG phoneme says ng, like sing, right? Clang. Clang, like what's going on right now in Mumbai with the Ganpatis passing. There's clanging. The letter N is a naughty one. It never, when you say the letter N, don't cut it short. Don't say never naughty. Say never, never be naughty like that. Never be naughty like that. Never be naughty like that. Never, right? Darlings, the letters M and N also, like the letter S, needs time. It needs one full breath. When you say a word that starts with the letter mama, rather than mama, make me some mango. Mama, hey mama, make me some mango please. Mama, may I have some mango please? Mama, Marcy is here. Mama, make me some Maggie please. Okay, you won't do that all the time because then it's a bit idiotic. But you may do it when you're on stage, or you may do it when you're giving a speech, right? So, mangroves, you don't say the mangroves are dying in India. The mangroves in Mumbai are dying. Mangroves, Mumbai. And then sometimes you've got a zh, which is in casual, leisure, zh, casual, leisure, right? Measure, measure, right? Those letters, that's a separate phoneme. It's an S which has a zh sound in it, right? S can say z, S can say s, and S can also say zh, right? Casual. Shape of my mouth with sh. The sound, the phoneme sh, requires your mouth to do something. It makes your mouth like that. Sh, sh, short, ship. But if you don't change the shape of your mouth and you say short ship, don't give me short shrift, yar. The name Zahra or Zahara or Zara are all different. They have different sounding outs in them. Zahra, Zara, and what is the third one? Zahara. Zahara, like Sahara. Yeah. The next letter is the letter Z. Zebra. Zip. Z. It's such a powerful letter that if your name started with Z, there's power in your name. Zebra, Zara, Zasha. Yeah? There's a Z. So the letter S has a long time in your mouth. Don't ever shorten the S by saying it in a whisker. So don't go saying it. Saying it. Sunny, sweetheart, sister. Try the letter S. Slippery snake. Let it have its moment in your mouth. Slippery snake. Silver. When you say the word, it's silver. Don't say it's silver. It's silver. Silver. Snape. Silver. Snake. Yeah. The letter S has a whole breath in it. Don't shorten the breath of the phrase. The phrase think it through has my tongue sticking out 3 times. T makes 2 other sounds. One of them is and the other one is one has breath, the other has vibration. Can you hear me now? Now this and that and they and them. But the other sound is thistle, think, through, thought. Yeah, it's a soft sound, just like the F, but it puts your tongue out. Think, thistle, through, think, thistle, through. Water, weather, wish, want, where, when. You've got to make sure your cheeks fill with air. So with air, what, weather, and that's how you say the letter W. There's no biting of the lip. There's only filling the cheeks with air. Weather, want, wish, water. In English, there is a big problem between v and v. If we had learned the letter sounds right in English, we would not mix up v and v. In v, our cheeks fill with air, and in v, our faces vibrate. So, v. Everyone make the sound. V. Violet. Say. Voo, voo. What? Va, voom. Venom. And now say whiskey. Whisper. Water. What does F say in English? Can someone tell me? It doesn't say fur. Fur is Hindi. In English, there is only as if you are blowing a feather from above your nose. Feather, fast, friend, furious. That's it. Funny, funny. Not, yeah, that's the beautiful sound. That's it. In Hindi, there is per, right? And fur. In English, there's no per, and fur. There's only feather. In English, there is no g. In English, there is only g. So, goat. What? Gamble. G. That's it. Only g. In English, there is no k. That is Hindi. In English, there is only k. There's a breath sound which comes out. There's no k. There's only k. And that is called a phoneme sound, Baba. K is a Hindi sound. K is Hindi. In English, there is only k. You've got k. There's C says k. K says k. What is the sound? Everyone make it. Sound which is ch, like ch, church, or chili, or chile, ch, ch. And then you've got j. There's a sound at the back of your throat. J, like judge, j, j, right? There's no j. There's j, judge, j. All right. Yes. T. Not up, down. T. So tomato. Suppose the Hindi teacher heard me saying tomato. Would they like it? They wouldn't. They would say tomato, right? Same way, there's no taxi and tomato in English. there is only t. Taxi, tomato. T, t. And there's no tomato, there's only tomato. Because t says t and t, tomato. The letter T says t, t. That's it. Time, teacher, talk, tasty, time, tomato, taxi, t, t, t. That's it. The letter B says B. So bat, bottle, bump. Not B and not B. B, B. That's it. B. The letter P says P. So paper, parrot, pig, pope. The letter P only says P. Nothing more. Only P. P. Try it. Because this one says ow, 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 ow. Not ow, not ow, but ow, ow. Yes, like OW, ow. Ow. Like not is oh. Oh. And oh and oh are two different sounds. Oh and oh. And this one is air, air, like air. Where, air, air. Yes, this one is I, my, right? Part, Now let's do So there's but and mat, mat, but different shape of mouth. English is not like Hindi. In Hindi we have o, e, right? But in English there's no o, there's o. There's not o, it's o, right? Not o. The word go has an o. Can you say o? O, no. Yeah? In English it's not oh no, it's oh no, oh. Here you say oh, for, door, more, explore. You know how many people say explore, more, for, door. Open the door. Door. That's what English requires you to do with your mouth. Oh. All right. The for about is called a schwa sound. It's a reduced vowel which we use very often when we are speaking. Whenever we have an unstressed vowel, most often we make it into a schwa. And so this ulta e says Everyone say like UH, And now if you look here, word, it's different from and You understand there's a difference? A. Like when you say the word day, A, not A. You know how in Hindi we say A, kya kar raha hai? But day is not day. It's not day, it's day. Because there's an A. Lovely. Now the next one says for men. and then eh. Just eh, eh, ooh, 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 ooh. Two different sounds. Ooh, ooh.